Hello guys, and today is the Football 08 King. Today we are going to be doing a video where I am going to be showing you my slime. Yes, there's my dad. Dad. So I think my slime's in the front room somewhere. I've got a sticky one and like an orange, like it is still slime but it's orange. So I'm just going to get my slime and I'll see you later when I've found it there. Hello guys, and we are back with the slime. Yeah, so I couldn't find my slime, so I had to use my sister's for some reason. So I've got this slime here, nose putty. Don't know what that means. Got this slime, what it is? Nose putty, Mom. I think they're just called nose putty. So I'm going to open my slime now and I will show it you. So the first one, we are going to be opening this one. So there it is. I'm going to be opening it now. And this is it. And I'll just get it out the case. Ugh! Look at that. Pink slime. Ugh, it's sticky. Ugh. Smells of soap. Oh, I've just lost my other slime now. Wow. Well, I'll go and find that. But this slime is so yucky, gooey, and it can stick to tops, like I was stuck to my dad's. Ah. So I'll just try and find my other top, and so bye. Yeah, so I've got my other slime. For some reason, I just said top. I've got a top on. I'm not going to find another top though. What the hell? Yeah, so this is my other slime. Dying to eat it. This smells like shampoo. Sticks to your hair a bit. Ew, squishy. So we're going to be sticking it to stuff for now. And we're going to be seeing what it looks like mixed all together. So if you go close, you can see that one. We're going to be mixing the slime together. So here's this one. This is the stick one. I'll just show you. I'm just putting it all in there. Get in there. This is what it looks like now to when we've mixed it together. There. We're going to be sticking the lid into it now. But yeah, this is the lid. So we're going to be sticking the lid into it. It actually sticks. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh! Oh! Yeah, so that is the. Oh, it's just so sticky. Still in.